Welcome back, guys, to another day of Christine's Jamaican Living. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to prep your chicken for a meal, specifically chicken foot. But before I do, guys, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Tap that notification bell if you haven't done already, because you are missing out on wonderful videos. And for all who have, welcome one and all, and thank you. Okay, guys, this is a short video today. As you can see, I have a pack of chicken foot or chicken feet, or whatever you want to call it, but at the foot of the chicken. So I'm just gonna open up the pack right here. This is what they look like. The feet of the chicken. I am not a chicken foot lover, but you can make so much chicken foot dish. It is amazing. You can curry the chicken foot. You can make soup with it. You can brown stew it. You can even cook it where you have with your broad bean. Yes, so many ways. Stew peas your chicken foot. So many ways to have your chicken foot done. I guess you can jerk your chicken foot too. All right, so you see my chicken foot right here, they got the nails on, so you want to get rid of those. There's no way I'm gonna be cooking a chicken foot with nails on it. No, it's a no-no. So you just want to cut those off. They're pretty easy to do, just like that. Oh, I missed one, so let's get this one right here. Yeah. So I inspect my chicken foot, make sure there's nothing inside here. And then I would just barely cut it just like this. Get those toenails off. All right, you see this one? See what I'm talking about? Right up in here. So go ahead and just cut this piece out. There you go. Nice and clean, right? Okay. Okay, now that we clean, we're gonna go wash. So I have my lime here, so I'm doing half. My vinegar, I think I have one that's already almost finished, so let's use this up. Usually it's a half a cup of vinegar. There we go. we're gonna go wash. So I fill it up with my water. You know, you have your lime, half a lime that you squeeze in it, and your vinegar, half a cup of vinegar. So with your water. So what you're gonna do now, you could see I take my lime and I just like rub on my chicken foot. You could let it sit in it for a little while. Also, you just rub them. Throw that off. Repeat. So you just repeat in the water part. So you're not gonna put any more vinegar. If you wanna use some more lime, no problem. So I just repeat this part here around 3 times. Using cold water. And I didn't do a lot. If you want, you could go in with the other half a lemon. If you want, you could go in with the other half of your lime. Drain the water off. Take your lime skin out. Here we have it. Your chicken foot is washed, cleaned, washed, and ready for however you want to cook it. However you want to cook it, it is ready to go. There you go.